Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your most requested Charms Pick a Card reading. What's coming next for you, friends? Yes, so many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, and I hope you have checked your 2022 yearly readings. I have already done one, more are coming, but I have started one earlier in the September I have done. So check, the link is in the timestamps. You can also buy your own personal 2022 readings. Yes. And to buy, you can visit our website and book your own readings. They are super detailed. You can book your love, work, or entire yearly reading. Also, don't forget to check out your November horoscopes. They are also done on the other channel, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi Urdu. Yes, so do check that out also. And friends, what else? This is a general reading, and it may resonate or it may not. And today we are going to do something new in the reading, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one, this beautiful purple card. It's very pretty. Option number two, this beautiful orange card. Option number three, the beautiful blue card, aqua blue card. So friends, relax, take a deep breath and choose option one, option two, option three. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section, friends, so you can directly choose from there. Also, friends, you can choose more than one option, or you can choose the entire reading, friends. Yes, if you want to watch the entire reading, you can. So let's begin. For those who chose option number, this is a charms reading. I will be pulling your charms, so not to worry. So for those who chose option number one, let's see what's coming for you. All right, for those who chose option number one, this beautiful purple card. Please excuse my throat. All right, discipline. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. So this is a week where you are disciplining yourself, or things are arranging for you. Like, this reminds me of arrangement, like things falling in place for you, arranging for you on its own. So yeah, it's a great week. It's a whatever is coming next for you seems great. These are your oracle and advice messages. Now let's see what is the different we are doing today. The difference is we are going to lay a spread today, and we're gonna study that. So what is in the spread today? We are going to see what is coming next for you. Please excuse my throat. I just had an ice cream. Oh my god, it was scary to have an ice cream, seriously. I hope you are not eating ice creams, friends. Nope, that's not a good idea. Okay. So, what is coming next for you? What are the blocks you will face, and what are the blessings which are coming for you? So, today we are going to see it in a spread kind of a way. So, let us see pile number one. What is coming next for you? And if you enjoyed this reading, let me know in the comment section. So, we got your what's coming next for you. What are the blocks that you will face? Okay, lots of cards came out. Let's take them out. What is the blessing that's coming for you? And then we're gonna see the oracle, and of course the charms, and of course you'll not still like, share, and subscribe. Very bad. Please do, friends. We have worked really hard. I can't tell you how much I have worked in the last year of pandemic. Oh my god. Whew. What blessings are coming for you? Let's see. All right. So what's next for you? Let's see that. Ooh, so I see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you, friends, and that's coming next for you. You could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini yourself. I feel Eight of Swords. Definitely, friends, you are feeling very restricted right now. You are feeling like, you don't have any options right now. You don't have much choice. You could be feeling restricted or blocked in your love life. Even at work, I feel you're feeling, in life in general, you're feeling like you're restricted. There are so many blocks in your life. So what is coming next is, I see freedom. I see freedom coming for you in this week. There is freedom, there is an opportunity. So opportunity to change your life, opportunity to break free of these fears in some way. I think right now you have been trying to, you were trying to make peace with these fears, with these blocks, but now this week something will happen or some opportunity will come your way, and that will help you to change this, that will help you to change these fears, these blocks, remove them. Also, I feel some news is coming from you through social media, emails, your social media accounts. So some important messages are coming from the social media for you. And Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is also important. The Three of Swords. Yeah, I do feel some of you are definitely feeling a little pessimistic right now, but I think you are going to recover from this, friends, because Knight of Swords is like you are cutting through all the BS and you're like, I gonna move ahead, move on, move ahead. I gonna shine and nothing can stop it. Yes, some of you may still be feeling a little sad this week, or you may be feeling a little alone. I don't know, I feel like you're lonely because in all these cards you see there are only one person. So see, you're feeling a little lonely, friends. So that's one thing I'm feeling like this week you may feel a little lonely. Also, someone who has hurt you in the past, an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or someone who is extremely logical, that person is coming back to you, or they will be on your mind. And I don't think so you will enjoy the, thinking about that person, or even messaging, or if that person messages you, you will not like it, but that person is on your mind. And I see a breakthrough, friends. I do see a breakthrough happening for you. So that's the next thing that's gonna happen for you this week. Let's see if there is anything else. Anxiety, yeah, you're gonna break free of anxiety, and you're gonna break free of this anxiety, stress. I do feel some of you need to take care of your health this week, friends. I feel you are overworking, overstressing about things, life. I see a relief coming towards you because discipline, you need to discipline yourself a little. I see peace coming towards you. I see happiness coming towards you this week. And you should definitely give your health a priority because you guys are neglecting your health. So don't do that, friends. Don't do that. This is the week you should put yourself first. Relax. Take a break from work if you can. Think less. Do something which makes you feel relaxed. Have some tea. Go out on a walk. I mean, this is that week where you have to on your own cut the stress. I also feel some of you are very stressed about your work. I see some of you are very stressed about your work. What will happen? You will do well. Don't worry. Some opportunity is coming. Some idea will come this week, or some opportunity that will change your life. So don't worry. I feel some of you are not even sleeping well, so you need to sleep well. And I feel like you're taking a step somewhere, like you want to take action in some area of your life, but you are hesitant, like you are waiting for things to show you where is it the right thing to do. I think you will get your answers, some answers. You are looking for solutions, you will get them, friends. And I do feel some of you are having I don't know, are you having cold, or you feel like you're going to have cold? Because I definitely feel that here. Stress, anxiety, cold, you should drink a little water, drink some water, take care of your health, because it's coming very prominently. I mean, like, you're doing well, but you are ignoring your health right now, so you should. Let's see the blocks you will face this week. Let's see that. Oh, wow. The Eight of Cups in reverse. So you are definitely, you're missing, you feel left out from the life. I feel you're missing somebody, definitely. Some of you are missing someone from the past. Some of you are, someone left you, someone rejected you, and it may be 10 years back, it may be 10 days back, this person rejected you, but it is still hurting you. And this week, yeah, this thing is on your mind. You want to walk out of a situation in your life also currently, like your job is very stressful, but you want to leave it and you cannot. So you are like, what am I supposed to do? So it is a block you are facing, that you want to leave something, but you can't. And someone left you but you can't forget them or forgive them. So it's a big block that you are facing this week, friends. But I think you can change it by accepting the situation, and not to overthink. I feel you should not overthink and feel sad about things, because that's one thing that's affecting you right now, over analysis. The magician, yeah, you are feeling, like your manifestations are not working. I don't know why they came out in reverse, because I was not using the reversals here, but still the cards jumped out as reverse, so we take it. The magician, yes, friends, the you are manifesting, you are praying, you are wishing, but you are feeling like your manifestations are not working right now. You feel there is a delay in your luck, in things coming to you. You feel like you are being tested. Friends, the block is that you are not being restricted. It is not that your prayers are not being answered. It is just that you need a little rest right now, friends. This is a very important message right now. Your dreams, your wishes are being answered. Just give it some time. I know you hate the word patience. Even I hate it, but just give it some time. It is necessary to give these things certain amount of time, because so your dreams are really working out, friends. Trust and believe. I also feel that yes, there is certain delays may happen this week, but it's not a delay. Actually, it is divine timing at work in your life. So to trust. I the main block is like you are feeling like the universe is not with you. The your faith, you feel like it's a little shaky this week, or this week. So try to keep your faith, friends, strong. I do feel like, 10 of cups, yes, you are going to have a family, you are going to have people who love you. There will be love and happiness around you. You will be successful, especially in your career and your studies. Also, you will have a lot of support and love around you. Do not worry. Some of you are being blocked by families. Some of you are blocked because someone you loved have left you and married somebody else, and this is acting as a block in your happiness. Try to focus, try to manifest something new, friends. That's important for you. Also, try to accept the situation for right now as it is. But if you are single and you are unhappy that there is no one around you to get married to, please do not lose hope. There will be, this 10 of cups of happiness will be yours. It is just a delay, it's not a no for you. And the high priestess, yes, I do feel that you are not honoring and trusting your intuition. That's another thing that you need to do this week. Your intuition is telling you something, friends. You must trust it. You must listen to it. Your intuition is guiding you to listen to yourself, listen to your body, your mind, your heart. You need yourself this week, friends. I know work is important. I know all the stress of your life is important, but this week make yourself a priority. And I know maybe some other people will get angry or upset because you are keeping yourself a priority. Like family may not like it, your workers, co-workers may not like it, your boss may not like it, but you need to listen to yourself. You need to follow your intuition. So those are the blocks which will affect you this week, but let's see what are the blessings coming your way this week. Let's see that. The Knight of Cups. So definitely love is coming your way, friends. A lot of love is coming your way. Sweet messages of love are coming. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is going to message you. I also feel it could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. There is definitely love coming your way. A helpful person, a helpful friend is coming your way, and I think you desperately need it, because there is a lot of stress, because you are feeling lonely, also because you need some motivation, friends. Absolutely. So the blessing that's coming is what you are waiting for. It's on its way. For some of you, you will find support from a colleague or from a boss. A new work opportunity is coming. You will also feel more connected to your work this week. That is the blessing. For others of you, a supportive friend is coming, friend, or a lover is coming. So, expect some happiness. I also feel that for some of you, this past person is going to message you. someone who left you and someone who was ignoring you, someone who is in a long distance, they will message you and things will work out. The Three of Pentacles, trust, trust. The blessing is support of people, and you desperately need this support, friends. Please do not say no. I do see money also coming your way, friends. A lot of money is coming your way. Some of you are stressed about money situation. So the blessing that is coming is money, support from your colleagues and your boss. For others of you, group studies will be a blessing for you. I feel like, if you do some group activities or group teamwork, it will give you it will give you a happy time, energy boost. It will be good. Someone may invite you to a party, which will be, a good change, a relief for you. Some of you may also should, just, I don't know, maybe bake a cake for yourself or do something nice for yourself. If you take that time for doing something nice, you will really enjoy it. So that's a good thing. So let's see what is the oracle saying for you, and then we're gonna see the charms. The Magician and the Mirror, number 53. Yes, definitely you are the magician and you are a mirror. You may feel a little emotional as well as aggressive this week, friends, but do not worry. You are very powerful. You are a magician this week. So, yes, healing energy is there. I see healing in your emotions, in your health, and in your finances. Appreciation, number 15. Yes, people are going to appreciate you, friends. Yes, you have been through a lot, and this is the week people turn to you and appreciate you. I think someone has really taken you for granted, and it's not fair. It could be family, it could be a lover, it could be your boss or colleagues, or a friend has taken you for granted. Also, do not take yourself for granted, friends. Love your body, say thanks to it, and have some happy times. It is a time you appreciate yourself. You're amazing, right? Yin and Yang, number 22, 222. So you will see a lot of 222s this week, so that's interesting. Also, your life is coming into balance, friends, this week, and it is very important. Some of you are definitely feeling a lot aggressive or a lot stressed or a lot emotional. So you're definitely feeling out of balance, but this week brings you balance. The sun will be moving in Scorpio. That will definitely bring you a lot of, it will bring you a lot of balance, healing, karmic healing, a lot of soul healing. So that's interesting. So, friends, this week you must focus on balancing yourself, your emotions as well as your passions. You may feel a little emotional or too aggressive, so keep that in mind. But I also see a lot of balance coming in your life after this week. Your life is right now a little topsy-turvy. A lot of, you're at, life has a lot of challenges for you, pile number one. But this week, life starts to shift for you. Let us see what you need to keep in mind this week. Solitude, yeah, you are feeling a little left out, friends. You are feeling a little, like there is nobody. But I think, solitude can also bring you a lot of healing. So I see that, a helpful or supportive friendship or friends are coming for you, connections which can help you. Also, do not feel lonely, because, loneliness sometimes can lead to healing. So if sometimes a lot of people around you can bring a lot of drama, which is a block here, for you. Like people or family may bring you drama or tensions or worries. Some of you may be actually worried about your family, or they are stressing you right now. So the more you take care of yourself this week, the better you will feel, friends. You need to keep in mind that sometimes you are your own best company, and that is a blessing, for you. So do not worry. I see helpful connections coming your way. I also see that opportunities are coming your way. So don't worry. Let's see the advice for you. Blessings and abundance. So money is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. You're definitely worried about money, success, and will you be blessed? Will you have love? Will you have marriage? Yes, you will have those things, friends. You are absolutely blessed. Do not doubt it. You are very blessed, friends. Please do not doubt that. So let us see your charms now. Question number one. What will happen for them this week? Okay, I dropped a charm. Alright, let's see. You got a lot of initials, so definitely a lot of people are important for you. You have the number 28 stuck in letter E. Number 28 is stuck. Can we get it out? Oops, yeah, we could. Yes, you have very little charms. A lot of initials came out. Must be a reason for that, right? Alright. So there is Peen, Preen. Preeti could be a name for somebody. Preen, Preeti, Preet. Neat could be a name for some of you. You know, neat. I don't know. What else? Pen, there is a word pen. So maybe some of you need to actually write down something. Maybe, just write down some poetry or something, or read a book. It will help you. Also, some important messages are coming your way, friends. The initials which are important for you are P, E, N, O, and E. And the numbers are number 20 and number 28, so that is important for you. The locked heart. Yeah, I do feel there is somebody who loves you, but they are not telling you that. They have walked away from you, but they still want to come back into your life. The locked heart, because you have the Three of Swords, remember? Like someone is hurt and they want you back. The Three of Swords, that is what's coming in your life. Someone who left you, they want to come back because they really miss you and they still love you. The car, I feel some of you should go for a drive. It will help you. If you cannot drive, then maybe go out, just go for a shopping, jogging, take a walk. It will help you. I also feel some of you could be thinking of buying a car and you are feeling frustrated because you cannot buy your favorite car. But remember, you can manifest your dreams, so don't worry. We'll discuss this a little later. Hello, I'm yours. So yeah, I do feel there is a person who wants to connect with you, and they could be somebody who owns a car, a white car, or maybe a red car. Pearl, friends, yes, you are a pearl. Please value yourself. You are very important. I think you are valuing everybody except yourself or your peace of mind. The leaf. This feels like money to me, like, some big award, some big reward, some money, some healing is coming your way. So, woohoo, you need that. Three of Airs, we already had that card, remember? Three of Air, Three of Swords. My God. You are hurt, friends. You need to rest. You need to rest. You need to take care of your health. You need to take care of your heart. Mouse, yes, someone is behaving cowardly around you and you're frustrated with that person. Also, you could be feeling that the universe is a little slow and not giving you enough power. I think things will change. Prince of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Nine of Wands, yes, you are very, very close to achieving your goals, friends. So do not give up, at least not now. Asia, somebody from Asia is important. January, someone born in January is important. Three of Coins, yes, we had that card also. Look at that. The Three of Pentacles. Support is coming your way, friends. It came out in the blessing, so success is coming. Support is coming. You will be successful in what you are working on right now. Time, yes, divine timing is at work. My God, I can't hold this charm. Oopsie doopsie. Divine timing is at work in your life. I told you that, right? Five of Coins. Yes, money is coming, friends. Some of you are definitely worried about will you have enough financial security in your future? Yes. Five of Cups. Yes, somebody from the past is thinking about you. You are also thinking about that person, why they left you, why they did that. They still love you, friends. It's not like there is not love in this connection. Seven of Coins, yes, your patience is going to pay off, friends. So this is a week you should take yourself, give yourself a priority, love yourself, keep shining, and you are my sunshine. You are my only sunshine. You make my days happy when the skies are gray. So Definitely somebody loves you, friends, and I also love you, and you love our channel back by subscribing, liking, sharing Magic Wednesday. Join us on Instagram, and this is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see what is coming next for you. And we are going to do this reading a little differently. This is a charms reading. So, if you chose this orange card, beautiful change card, let us see. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. So, this is a powerful week for you. Some sort of a change, some sort of a movement is coming in your life. These are your oracle and advice, and we are going to see this reading in form of a tarot spread today. We will cover three what you say questions, you can say. What is coming next for you, what are the blocks you will face this week, and also what is the blessing coming your way. So that is how we're gonna do a layout. Okay, a spread and live shuffling, yes, and with the charms. Let us see. I don't know why I felt like doing this today. I was guided to do this. Let's see what comes. For pile number 2, what is coming next for them? For pile number 2, what's coming next for them? Let me know if you enjoyed this reading, friends. We can do more layouts, because I wanted to do them. We haven't done them in a while. I used to do them in 2019. Yeah, after that, yeah, there were more picker cards. What's coming next for option number? Okay, perfect. What's coming next for them? What will be the blocks that they will face this week? Any blocks? Okay, thank you. And what is the blessing coming their way? Okay, okay. It wants to come, so let's take it. Both these cards want to come. So let's see, friends, and we're gonna see the charms shortly, okay? So what is coming next for you, pile number 2? Let's see that. Ooh, 9 of Wands. You're very, very close to achieving success. You're very, very close to completing some goal, reaching some success, some sort of victory. You're very, very close, friends. You could be very close to being successful in an exam, in an interview, in a job call. Also, some of you are very close to getting a promotion this week. Some of you could be getting like some of you have been working to have you planted something, some flowers or something? Yes, they are going to bloom this week, because I feel like some of you have planted something and you're waiting, when will this flower, when will this plant bloom? Yes, this week it will. So what is coming next? Success is coming, friends. Absolutely, success is coming. You're very, very close to achieving success, a victory. And if you are a student, yes, you can expect a lot of advancement. If you have given an exam, you will be very successful. At least you will pass, that's what I see. Your efforts paying off. And I see, like, you're very close to victory, but you're just a little one step away from victory. So you should not give up. If you are preparing for an exam, please keep working hard. If you are preparing for an interview, please keep working hard. If you are thinking of leaving something, or shifting or relocating, I think you're just one step away from the success. So keep working, friends. If you are thinking of giving up on something, don't, unless it's weight. Just kidding, friends. Because sometimes your body needs to lose some weight, shed some weight, like, trees leave some trees shed leaves. It's a natural phenomena. All right, what else? Yeah, I do see that you're waiting for something to come towards you. And yes, the Page of Cups, I do see happy news coming your way, some sort of a celebration coming your way this week. Some of you could be celebrating your birthdays, Scorpios, happy birthday. So you could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces yourself, or someone could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person who is important in your life this week. I feel some of you, you are planning for a holiday, or you are planning booking tickets or somewhere, to reach to your home or reach to a place like for a holiday or for some trips you are planning. Yes, it will be successful. I also see some of you this week are planning to go abroad, or, you are applying for jobs in other city and country. You will be successful. I do feel that at least there will be, supportive positive response from people around you. People will like you, they will appreciate you. I also feel this is a very mild and fun week for you. There is a lot of happiness, a lot of joy. Some Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person or some loving person may message you, friends. Let's see what is coming next for our viewers. Option 2. Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is also important. So you could be having choices in your love life. Aries, sorry friends, Aries, that's what happens when you eat an ice cream right before the reading. All right. Yeah, if you have to sing or do some vocal thing, please, I would advise you to avoid ice creams. Anything cold actually. Try anything warm, that's better. Yeah, I was just feeling like, on cheating, with ice creams, like, let's cheat. So I cheated. Yeah, kind of. Usually, I think everyone is avoiding. I don't know about you. I usually am avoiding cold, cold stuff right now. So yeah. Okay, back to the reading. Page of Wands. So, I feel some of you could be having choices in your love life this week. Definitely Aries, Leo, Sag, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I also feel that some of you will be getting your passion and excitement back in this week. Some of you were feeling very like you're not feeling passionate about anything, but this week your passion returns back. You will feel excited as well as passionate about your career and your work and love life. Five of Cups. Yes, I do feel there is somebody who wants you, who's thinking about you. It could be a no contact situation. This person is in no contact with you. I feel they will be coming and messaging you this week. Also, some of you are waiting for a job, or you're waiting for some call. You're waiting for some call regarding some money or work area, and you're disappointed, like, oh, why they don't call me, why they didn't call me after the interview, it went so well. Because they will call you this week, friends, so keep that in mind. Also this week, friends, things are not as bad as they look. You don't have to worry about, things are looking up for you in this week. So try to see the positive in a situation. That will be very, very helpful for you, whether it is in love, work, or your finances. So let us see what is the block that's coming. What will be the blocks this week you may face? Ooh, oh my god, pile number 2, the devil. Oh, oh, oh. Why the devil, friends? Why are you being a devil? All right, so friends, this week you will be, I think you will be in a extreme mode. You will be a warrior mode. I don't know how to say this, friends. Whatever you will be doing this week, you will be doing it in extremes. So that is a block. If you are working, you will work extremely. If you are eating, you will overeat. If you are drinking, you will overdrink. Some of you could also be becoming very attached to somebody physically or emotionally. You are too attached on somebody from the past, or your current lover, or your husband and wife. So you are becoming very attached, and you you are workaholics, friends, this week, and that's a block. That's really a block. Some of you could be actually eating a lot of sugar this week, and that may not be good. So try and stay in balance, this because this has come in a block card. Try to stay in balance. It will be necessary for you to stay in balance, and because you are feeling like you are overeating because you feel you have lost something. Probably you are trying to you feel you have lost something, but you haven't really lost anything. There is still hope in this situation, so do not feel hopeless. Another thing is, try to maintain your work life balance, because you may be overworking this week. Absolutely. Another thing is, you may become extremely passionate and aggressive this week, friends. You are obsessive about, whatever you believe in, your future. You may be a little obsessive this week, so try and keep that in balance also. Or someone may be very obsessive around you, like a past person is like, no, I want you, I want you, I want you, I want you. Or someone could be behaving like, maybe your family is behaving like, oh, pressurizing you in some way. Or your boss is little demanding this week, so you are like, what is going on? So expect people to be a little extreme, not normal. So that is a block, friends. Sorry, but yes, it's there. And the Six of Wands, yes, you're gonna be successful. You want success at every cost this week. I don't think so, friends. If you have your birthdays, you will not be celebrating for long because I see you will be working. Also, for some of you, you could be waiting for some award, some recognition, some sort of a promotion, some sort of a prize. Even if you are a student, you are waiting to clear your exams, and you are actually feeling, if you don't, I don't know, should I say this or not? Some of you are feeling like if you do not achieve this thing, you are not, life is not good. That's the block which is affecting you right now. Like if you do not get a promotion, you will feel like you are not worthy for anything. If you don't get that, clear that exam, you are like, no, I'm worthless. If you don't get married, you are like, nope, nothing is good in my life. I think that's the block that's you are facing this week. Whatever happens, you are absolutely worth everything better and everything good. Your value does not depend on whether you win an award, clear an exam or not clear an exam, because you are important, friends, absolutely. So do not doubt that. And some of you are working a lot, friends. You are working to achieve a lot of success in your life. You want a lot of future success. Some of you want fame also, and a lot of awards and recognition. You are working hard. You need to balance your work life, because it seems like you could be overdoing it in some way. Let us see what is the blessing coming your way this week. Two of Cups. Oh my God, love is coming your way. Absolutely, friends. I see a relationship. I see a lot of happiness coming your way. I also see that if some of you were missing somebody, that person would be coming back towards you. Also, if some of you were single, there is a chance of two lovers or two new people coming up in your life. So the blessing is love, partnership, joy, happiness, parties, and celebrations coming your way. And look at that, the Nine of Pentacles, money. Yes, I do. Oops, sorry, friends. I do feel a lot of money is coming your way. Some of you are worried about whether your business will be successful, whether your job, will you have money? Yes, yes, yes. You will have a lot of money, friends. Money is coming your way. So don't worry. And I also feel some people will be valuing you this week. People will appreciate what you have done for them in the past. So someone is going to value and appreciate you. It could be your boss, it could be your spouse, husband or wife, it could be your lover, ex-lover, it could be a friend, or it could be somebody new who's appreciating that, wow, you're amazing. And the Ten of Swords. So this is a blessing. You are getting relief from a lot of challenges, friends. Wow, some you will get a relief from some endings. Some endings have been causing you a lot of problems. Something has ended and it has caused you a lot of problems. You may also be having a lot of worries, like responsibilities, a lot of responsibilities. You will get freedom from that. Responsibilities, issues, other people's stress, you will be free from that. There are, you will have a lot of support of other people, so you can count on that. So it's a good week for you, friends. Let's see what else will happen. Let's see. I see definitely some of you could be meeting your grandparents, or you could be having visitors also at your home. And yeah, some of you could be getting money from inheritances as a blessing. Inheritances, money, or money from past, hard work that is coming. Journey, yeah, I do feel some of you will be traveling this week, and it will be a good travel. It will be a travel that brings you fun, excitement, and happiness. Envy, number 20. Wow, number 2, number 20 are important. 20th of February is important. I feel that, you are comparing your life with others, and that's what is making you unhappy. It's not like your life is not great. It is actually. I also feel you will be very successful, friends, this week, and other people will be jealous of that. So try to balance it out, try to protect yourself. Victory, wow. Some of you are definitely going to have a legal victory, or some sort of a victory, spiritual victory, or you are going to clear some exams or promotions, or anything. You will win something. And some of you could actually, lose some weight or control your temptations. Like you're very tempted. You're very tempted to try something, this week, but you are like, nope, I can overcome it. Victorious. 28. Number 28 is important. So let us see what is the advice you need to keep in mind this week. Adventures. Life is full of adventures, friends. You should not keep waiting. You should always follow new adventures, and you should always see life with an excitement. Every day has a lot to offer, and every day has 24 hours. If you convert it into seconds, that's a lot of seconds. So life is an adventure. Keep that in mind. And let's see your advice, then your chance. Do the work. Yes, friends, I do feel like, you want to achieve something and you are working for it, and I feel you are very close to achieving it. Maybe it's a promotion, maybe it is a job, maybe it is like you are, want to change your look or something. You are working for it. Nine of Wands, remember? You're very close to achieving it. So keep your hard work, keep at it. You will be victorious. I also see legal victories coming your way, some sort of a legal win, apologies coming your way. Fortune tool, how this week will be for them. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's just separate the charms a little. I hope you can see. Yeah. Foe, oh my god. Some of you could be dealing with an enemy. Foe is like enemy, and you also have envy. So other people maybe are slightly jealous of you, or you may feel that vibe, like, people are giving you, they are jealous of you in some ways. Or you could be dealing with a past lover who is a little jealous because you are doing very well in your life. So yeah. Fae, yeah, you could be having a very strong connection with fairies this week, friends. Some of you may be feeling very sensitive also to other people's energy. Like fairies are very, very sensitive. They are very sensitive. They are very subtle also. They have a very soft energy and high vibrational, but they can pick up a lot. Fairies are, magical, of course, magical beings. You know that, right? So you could be dealing with someone who's named Fariha, Fairy, or something like that. So initials are FAEOEE. Pineapple, reunion. A reunion is happening for you, friends. Yes, you will reunite with lover or with somebody new. Attachment, someone is very much attached with you, friends. It may be a lustful connection because we had the devil, but it's up to you. It is a connection which has some blocks or challenges, but someone is very attached with you, or you may be very attached to that person. The coin, I see a lot of money coming your way, friends, like security coming your way, inheritances, gold. Some of you could be buying gold, investing your money, because I see investment is very important to you. You don't just want money, you want like money to be invested. Lord Ganesha, yes, you are very, very blessed. You are very prosperous. And the flower blossoming, yes, friends, you are, your career is blooming, your future is blooming. Don't worry. Butterfly, positive changes are on the horizon. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's a baby elephant. So wow, this is so cute. Some of you could be actually having a baby, or someone in the family is having a baby. You might visit them. I also feel, some of you could be buying a toy, soft toy or something which is an elephant. Elephants are like, be kind to yourself, love yourself, but don't go to extremes. Take care of yourself. Like it's like a cute energy, cute, but do not be extreme. Like, baby elephants can play a lot, they can be very naughty also. So but they are very cute also, so the balance is necessary. They are also a sign of comfort. You could be comfort eating this week, so don't do that. Oh, we all do that, friends. Even I do it. We all do comfort eating. Like, somewhere, sometimes we are like, oh, nothing is going on. We are sick. Let's eat it. Let's eat it out. We are all guilty of that, isn't it? The golden leaf, money is coming your way. The cycle, yes, some of you should get on your cycles, bicycles for fitness. I also feel someone who lives around you is important. A neighbor or someone around you, your house or your work and career is important. Time, yes, you are very close to achieving a goal. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Blue, try to learn something new. It will bring a lot of positive change in your life. Look at the blue in this card. Anything you learn this week will be very helpful to you. Green, a lot of healing. I see money. A lot of green money is coming. Twins, oh wow, I told you, somebody could be, you could be dealing with a twin flame. You could be having twin babies. Someone around you is having twins or a child in the family or in friends. Asia, the country Asia is important. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Look at that. So you are shining. You are definitely shining, and that's why people are like, what's going on with you? Roads, where are we going? We don't need roads. So, wow. You could be going on a journey, you could be going on a road trip or something. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram and let me know if you enjoyed this today's reading. This is Mystic C saying bye-bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see what's coming next for you. Charms reading, if you chose this beautiful aqua blue card, the Freedom. Wow, this is a very powerful card. Let's read it. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. So wow, this week will bring you a lot of happiness and power. This is beautiful. And I love the colors in this card. The violet is about your crown chakra, and this aqua blue is about the throat chakra. So these two chakras are highlighted for you, and these are your oracle messages. We'll see your charms shortly. And today we are going to do this reading a little differently. We are going to do it in a layout, a tarot layout, tarot spread. And we are going to see what's coming next for you, blocks for you this week, and what are the blessings for you this week. So this will be interesting to see, in a tarot layout, in a spread. So let's see. Let me know if you enjoyed this. I want to do it like something different. I felt like doing something different today. And with live shuffling, of course. Many of you are like, shuffle live. We won't believe unless you shuffle live. Darlings, I don't need the cards. I'm a psychic intuitive medium. Anyways, God bless. Let's see, friends, what is coming next for you this week. Let me just shuffle, okay? What is coming next for pile number 3? What is coming next for pile number 3? What's coming next? Okay, we got it. What's coming next for pile number 3? Oops. That's the reason I don't shuffle, because sometimes the cards take really long to come out. The blocks pile number 3 will be facing. Okay. That's a lot of card. I'll shuffle again, okay? Blocks pile number 3 is facing. Again, lots of cards are coming out. Let's take them because they'll keep coming out. Blessing coming your way this week. Okay, anything else? Okay, let's take it. So let's see, friends, what's coming next for you, pile number 3. Ooh, Chariot. So some of you are definitely going on a journey, movement, progress, success is coming your way. Things moving forward in your life. I do feel like right now you're feeling a little tested. You're feeling like, ooh, life is stuck. It's not moving forward. But this week you will get the freedom to move forward and bring some change in your life. I also see that some sort of a positive change or movement is coming in your life, like some sort of a opportunity is coming your way, some travel opportunity will be there, or you could be traveling, someone could be traveling towards you. I also see some opportunities to expand your future. They are also coming, so it's a great week for you, which involves forward progress, movement, and success coming your way. Things is moving forward, things, you know, shifting for you. I feel, things, there has been a divide between your heart and mind, friends. Your heart was telling you one thing, your mind was telling you one thing, but this week you will find the, middle ground, and you will be able to make the right decision. So yes, I also see success coming your way. This is about success, Chariot. Let's see what else. Judgment. Oh my God. Yes, I do feel that some of you are feeling very challenged. Like life is, you feel like tested by life. You feel like life is testing you. Life is being very hard on you right now. It's not giving you what you want. But I feel this is the week when you will see, that destiny is working with you. I don't know. I feel very tired. Are you guys feeling very tired, friends? Are you guys feeling very demotivated or something like tired? I mean, like you're feeling a little, I don't know, you're feeling, this is a strange energy, like some sort of an anxiety. Are you feeling like God is testing you? Are you feeling anxiety or some sort of a depression right now, being like tested? Please do not worry, friends. Life is going to bless you. Life will always bless you. So do not worry. You are going to move out of these strong energies. Life, every day is not a dark night. That's what this wants to tell you. Some of you are confused about your life path. It will be shown to you this week. Some of you are getting hopeless and restless about a situation. You will find a miracle. You will find a solution this week. So please keep your eyes open. Another thing is, some of you are actually feeling very hopeless, but you will move out of this situation. You are already shifting, so do not lose hope. Also, some of you in your career are feeling very judged. Someone is judging you, could be your boss, could be your colleague. They are not being fair to you, friends. But this week, I see some sort of a justice happening for you. Judgment, justice is coming. Clarifications are coming, news is coming, messages are coming. People who were doing wrong to you, they will be doing the right to you now, because it's their time to justify them. The Seven of Swords, yeah, I do feel in love. Someone has ghosted you and you are really unhappy about it. This person ghosted you in a very bad way. Someone has hurted you. They have betrayed you, betrayed your trust, maybe broken a marriage with you. You're very upset with this person, but justice will be done. And this is the week where justice will happen for you. If someone has taken away your money or done you wrong in any way, friends, this is the week justice is going to happen. So do not worry. And also, you're moving out of these energies of pain, out of these energies where people did you wrong. Now you are in a powerful position. Now you have the power to choose your happiness, and I see life moving forward for you, so you won't always be here. Two of Pentacles, you are extremely busy, friends. Yes, this is a busy week for you, so you will not be noticing all this pain and all this who did wrong to you, because you will be very busy at your work. I do see that in your work life you will have a lot of workload. If you are a student, you will be having two exams or something, so you might have to prepare both of them together. You have to manage a lot, so try to finish your courses on time, because that I do see something may come up end of the minute, and at the end time something will come up if you are a student. So please study now and prepare well, because you will not get, if you are planning to study on the weekend for an exam on a Monday, don't do that. This is not the week to do that. I also feel that in love, you will be definitely focusing more on your career rather than on your love life this week, because your focus is, you are like a little disappointed with love, friends. So you want to focus more on your future, your money situation, and your career rather than anything else. But yes, in love, you are thinking about a past disappointment, someone who has hurted you, and you are feeling like, where is the karma? Where is the justice? How things will be justified? They will. There is always, life is cyclic, friends. It always is. So let's see the blocks. What are the blocks you will face this week? The Fool. Oh my god, you want to start something new, but you are feeling scared. So, the new is calling you, friends, and it is time for you to start a new journey. It is time for you to start a new chapter. It is time for you to start a new love story or a new belief, a new affirmation. This is a time to start something new. Change your hairs, change your look, change your dress, maybe get a new pet. And if you are not ready for the new, that's a block. That's a block. So, some of you are resisting new things to come into your life. Don't do that, friends. Say yes to the new. Even, the new things can help you heal. The King of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is stopping you from moving ahead in your life right now or focusing on your happiness right now. So it could be a boss, it could be a colleague, a lover, a twin flame, or an ex-husband wife. Someone is there, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, someone arrogant, someone very powerful, who is keeping you stuck, friends, who is keeping you like you cannot have a new start in your life. So, definitely that person is acting as a block for you. Two of Swords. Some of you are confused what you need to do right now. Should you leave that job and move ahead? Should you leave that relationship and move ahead? Some of you could be also second guessing your past decisions. Like, did you when somebody left you, was it the right thing? The way they hurted you, was it right? Was it wrong? Well, I can tell you one thing, friends. Whoever hurted you in the past or recently, karma will happen for them because you have the judgment. Remember the judgment card here. So, karma will happen. Also, you may feel a little stuck this week, friends, because indecision is there. You may feel confused. You may feel also like your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying another. And the Seven of Cups. Yes, there are choices. You are feeling a little confused this week, or you may feel like you don't know what you need to do this week to feel happy. But the thing is, friends, emotionally you may not feel very happy, but with your career you'll be very busy, you'll be also very successful. So career wise you will be feeling happy, but emotionally in love and relationships you will be like, why is this person not taking, making me a priority? Why not? Why am I always an option? These things are on your mind. Let's see, let's clarify the Seven of Cups. Yeah, the King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person, Sagittarius person. I feel you are dealing with a twin flame or two partners. One is, I feel some of you are dealing with a twin flame who left you and married somebody else. Or you could be having two partners and you are confused which one to choose. It could be two marriage proposals or two lovers. Or, it could also be that there are like your family is saying one thing, you are saying another thing. So there is again two point of views. So these are the things that will act as a block. So let us see what are the blessings for you this week. The Empress. Friends, you are very, very powerful. You don't need to doubt yourself. Anything you start this week, it will be growing. It will become very successful in the future. Also, you are very powerful. It is not important who did wrong to you and who did what, because you are an Empress. You are an emperor, you are a leader, you are a queen, you are a king, so do not worry. And you will be this king or queen in the future. You are on that path right now. So, congratulations. This is the blessing that's coming. Also, some of you, your spirit family is blessing you this week. Your mother, your grandmothers, your fairy godmother is blessing you this week, friends. I see a lot of divine protection around you. I also see some of you, a blessing is reaching to a level of promotion, leadership, fame. Some of you getting famous. Some of you could be getting some compliments for the way you look, the way you dress. Social media fame is coming for you. So a lot of success, a lot of new ideas will be there for you. So keep your mind open. Don't feel stuck, friends. You have a lot going your way. And the star, your creativity will be super, super high this week, friends. So enjoy your creativity. And I do see more, write down your dreams because some important messages are coming through your dreams. You could be having telepathic communications with your twin flame or some person, and you would be like, wow, we could listen to each other. Wow, that's interesting. And the tower, yeah, I do feel that, wow, all three major arcanas have come. So anything that happened in the past which didn't go your way is actually a blessing in disguise for you. If somebody left you, it was a blessing. If somebody hurted you, I know it doesn't feel nice right now, but it's actually a blessing. Whatever fight, argument that happened, that is actually, whatever is not going your way is actually a blessing, a divine protection for you. So don't worry. What is this tower about? Yeah, you also have a lot of workload, friends. You are putting yourself under a lot of pressure. Don't do that. Try and share your load with the universe. You have a lot of support. And also, anything that happened in the past was not your fault. It was divine protection. The garden and the gate. So, yes, you are waiting for opportunities to come your way. Number 30. I do feel that some of you are a little hesitant to apply for a job, or, start a new course, or maybe start a YouTube channel or something. It's time, friends. It's time. It's time for the new for you. Say yes to it. Number 30 is important. Blossoming abundance. Money is important for you, friends. Money is important, and money is coming your way. A lot of money. Success. Indecision. Oh my god, again. You are really stuck, friends, this week. Some of you will actually, this energy will continue. Your heart will say one thing, your mind will say another. But remember, you are still free. You can do whatever you want to do. Some of you may actually feel, restricted because your family is telling you to do something, but you don't agree on that. You may be a student, you may be an adult, but your family is saying one thing and you are saying another. So indecision is there. Let's see what is the thing you need to keep in mind. Truth. You must follow your own truth, friends. Don't try to please others so much that you start feeling bad for yourself. Follow the truth. Whatever makes you happy, do that. And let's see the advice and then the charms. Ask and you shall receive. So yes, friends, it is time to make a prayer and ask and you shall receive. So whatever you are praying for, you are actually going to achieve it. Let's see your charms now. Pile number 3. Oh my god, lots of charms. No wonder you are so confused. Lot is happening. Let's grab a cup of tea, friends. It's gonna take a while, okay? So let's see. So let's just separate them a little so we can, see them more easily, as they're all a little. Alright, the initials are C and E. Those are the initials. I don't know what name you can make out of C and E. C and E are there. There is only one number, number 23. The cat, divine protection. You have a lot of protection. The superhero, yes, friends, you are a superhero of your life, so do not doubt that. If anybody has made you feel any other way, don't believe that. Messages of love are coming. Someone will message you regarding their hidden feelings. And look at that. Yes, look at that. The envelope, love envelope is there. So some sort of a message is going to come your way. Love notes, love messages, or important messages, messages of luck, like news about money, success is coming for you. The wedding ring, yes, some of you, marriage is very important. Some of you could be dealing with a person who got married and left you in the middle, left you hanging. Letting go, the leaf is about letting go, end of worries. The car, traveling, moving forward, your life is moving forward and with power. Lord Ganesha. So, guys, you are going to be very successful. You're going to be very blessed also. Anything you start new this week will be very blessed, it will be successful. The shoe, magic. You're very magical. Some miracle or magic is coming your way. The teapot, something is brewing for you, friends. Something is happening, something is cooking. So, it will manifest for you soon. The pawn, you are powerful. You have the power to change your life. The greenhouse, money coming your way. I see a lot of money coming your way, friends. Saturn, yeah, some of you are going through karmic lessons, spiritual lessons. Some of you could be going through, you may have been divorced or your marriage is going through trouble. Whatever you are facing right now is due to karma, friends, the Lord of Saturn. Tiger, you are very powerful, believe in yourself. Seven of fear, yeah, someone has left you. You remember this? See, we shuffled life, we still got the same charms and the same cards. That means when I'm shuffling, pre-shuffled the cards, they are still the same, friends. I do not have that much of time to cheat. And I'm an Aquarius, friends. If I start cheating, oh my god, the world will go crazy. If the Aquarians start to do such things, the world will like, what happened? It's not possible for us. It's just not possible. Seven of Swords, Seven of Swords. You have the same card, and you will notice when I do not shuffle, you will still have the same cards as well as the same charms. Someone has hurted you, friends. Someone has betrayed you. Knight of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. The month of May is important. Princess of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Eight of Air, feeling restricted. Yeah, you're feeling a little confused also. Asia, wow, this Asia charm has come, I think, in all the readings. Asia. Family, yeah, you're definitely feeling confused with family. Maybe your family or your lover's family. Water, yeah, you should drink more water, friends, this week. It will help you to stay clear and bright. Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. You have a lot of people important this week. The Prince of Air, the Knight of Coins, the Knight of Wands, the Prince of Wands. A lot of people are coming. August is important. Then there is money. Yeah, money, money, money. I keep getting that song. What's the price? What's about the price tag? I think it's called price tag. Blue. Yes. I think some of you will be learning something new. It will change your life. Healer. Yeah, you could be learning something spiritual, healing, or such, healing, Reiki, yoga, astrology, tarot. Six of Coins. Yes, balance coming your way. I feel like some sort of a karmic, some karma is balancing in your life, and someone has hurted you and they are going to regret it. And I'm sorry to say, but yeah, they are going to face their karma. Twins, yes, some of you could be dealing with a twin flame this week. And yes, that's it for now. I think, yeah, that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share, join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.